Most welcome in this English learning session. It belongs to class 5, chapter 5, named The Cherry Tree First, page number 36. Topic is palindrome words. Definition of palindrome. A palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence that reads the same backward as forward. Example: LEVL, label. If you read it from this side, then it is read as label. If you start reading it backward, then it is again LEVEL, that is label. See another example: RADAR, radar. So when you read it forward, then it is read as radar, and if you read it backward, then will be read the same, that is RADAR, radar. See another example: MADM, madam. If you read it backward, then is of the same spelling and same sound, MADAM, madam. So it is read in the same way, either in forward case or in backward case. So such words are called palindrome. See another example: MOM, mom. Again, if you read it backward, then it is MOM, mom. Another example: CIVIC, civic. And if you read it backward, then see the spelling, CIVIC. So it is read civic. Another example: NUN, none. And in case of backward, again the spelling is NUN, none. So is read as none. So all such words are examples of palindrome. You can check more. DID, did, and again see in case of backward reading, DID, did. EYEI, again in case of backward reading, EYEI. WOW, wow. WOW, wow. POP, pop. POP, pop. PEEP, pip. PEEP, pip. That means once we read forward and once backward. But what is observed? The phonetic sound is same and the spelling is also same. That's why such words come in the stream of palindrome. Now learn this concept with the help of questions mode. Page number 37. Question B. Identify which of these words are palindromes and circle them. First word is NOON, noon. Second word is hello, HELLO, hello. Third word is kayak, KAYAK, kayak. Fourth word is pencil, PENCIL, pencil. Fifth word is rotator. Here you can see the word noon is of the spelling NOON, noon. So when we read it forward, then the phonetic sound is noon, and when we read it backward, still the phonetic sound is noon, because it involves same spelling from either side. For forward, in case of forward reading, we find the spelling NOON, noon, and in case of backward reading, we find the spelling NOON, noon. So it is a palindrome. So it has been encircled. In case of another word, kayak, the spelling is KAYAK, kayak. In forward reading, And in case of backward reading, again the spelling is same, K-A-Y-A-K. So it is a palindrome. So it has been encircled here. In case of another example, R-O-T-A-T-O-R, rotator. In forward reading, the spelling is same, and in backward reading, again the spelling is same, that is R-O-T-A-T-O-R. So it has been encircled, and 3 of them are palindromes. In this way, you can learn more about palindromes through question answer mode. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.